if you plan on getting an RT, watch this video before you do.
The beat plug.
The reason why I say that is because the RT is like the introduction level to the V8s. It's basically like this is the make or break it car type of thing. You know, do you want to get a V6 so it's eco-friendly? Do you want to get a V8 so you can, you know, do the dash and stuff like that? This is basically like the car in between type of thing. So, you know, if you want to save on gas but still have the look of a Dodge Charger, get the GT. That's like the best option. I mean, that's all I'm gonna say. Get the GT. It has the SRT look. It also has a sport mode, and it's still a Dodge Charger. At the end of the day, it's just a V6. If you want to get the horsepower with the look, then, you know, get the new RT. The new RTs have that type of look. If you want a little bit more, then, you know, you get the Scat Pack, of course. But, you know, not everybody can afford a Scat Pack. So the RT is the in-between car. You still get the look. You still get the, you know, the horsepower and stuff like that. You still get that V8 sound. So it's just like the in-between car. So if you want to get it, my vote, get it. It's definitely worth it. It's at that point to where it's like, you know what you want. So like me, I was indecisive because I drive far to work every day. So I didn't know if I wanted a V6 or a V8, because I would have got the V6 because it would have been a smart move to get for gas and stuff like that. And that was just the best option in my book. You know, I wasn't gonna have that V8 sound. Yeah, I was gonna miss out on that, but I still would have liked it because it's still a Dodge Charger. It still got the sport mode. It still has that SRT look with the bumpers and the hood scoop and stuff like that with the side skirts. And it had all black wheels on top of that. So it was still a bonus for me. You know, a lot of people, it probably would have been good for content maybe, but a lot of people do make V6 content as well. But for what I wanted to do, I wanted the V8 because I just wanted a little bit more power out of my car, because I already had a V6. I had a V6 Impala, so I wanted something a little bit more, so I got the V8 RT. I wanted the Scat, but things didn't go the right way. They was talking insane numbers, and that was out of my numbers that I wanted to talk about. It was possible, but I just didn't want to go with the numbers that they had for me. So I ended up going the RT route. It was way better in my opinion. Like I said, it's still the same thing. You know, I just missed out on a good, you know, couple horsepower. I think it was like 100 horsepower difference. I'm not sure. I don't really know the numbers like that, but I just missed out on a little bit. You feel me? The one downside about the RT, it has the open differential. So, you know, it's a lot of one-wheel pills type of thing. So that's one thing that I don't like about the RT is the open differential. The one-wheel pills. You can get both wheels to spin. Yes, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that you can't. But, you know, out here where I'm at, they be doing like the little swingers and stuff, and like the banger meets and the slide shows. So I want to be a part of that too. But, you know, I got a little RT. I can't do like they can't. I can't do what they do in the Scat, bro. I can, but it won't be as effective as how I want it to look type of thing. But yeah, so that's one thing I want to get an LSD and get that swapped out, so, you know, I can do some two-wheel burnouts. You feel me? Yeah, so I was trying to make a video. I had the headband and stuff. I'll go do a little POV video and talk and stuff, but the way it was looking, I was looking at the ceiling of my car, and I was mad because I recorded 90 minutes. I said 90 minutes, 9 minutes of it, and it was a straight roof. And I was sad because a lot of stuff happened. I had a V6 pull up on me, and we was cruising through the streets for a little bit. But for real, I might just give y'all like a couple things I don't like, a couple things I do like. So about my car, it's a 2016 RT V8. No, it's not a V6 for you trolls. It does have the V6 body. It doesn't have the SRT body like the Scat Pack or the GT. On top of that, I bought the car used. That's the one thing I don't like about my car. I bought it used. It had about 45,000 miles on it when I got it. It was another RT right there. It had about 45,000 miles on it. I put about 3,000 on it so far since I had it, just from driving to work and all the car meets and stuff like that. So yeah, just buying it used was one thing I was kind of sad about. It wasn't brand new. I was gonna get a brand new RT, the 2019 with the bodies kits. If you saw my video, that one was used too. But I was gonna get a brand new one. But it just didn't fall into plan like how I wanted to. But this one was good. I got this car for $20,000, which is a plus. So that's one thing I do like about my car. I got it for a lower price. A lot of the RTs was going for like 25 and above, and like with high mileage and stuff like that. So people was charging the arm and the leg for them. But I got this one for $20,000. I'm also gonna do a video about how much I spent on the car and stuff like that. So that's a video coming soon, probably in the same day if I get lucky. Let's see. So yeah, that's one thing I do like about my car. I got it for cheap. It wasn't too expensive. My budget was actually 25, but doesn't mean I want to go spend 25. You feel me? So I'm glad I spent 20. I had saved some money on that. Another thing I don't like about my car is the gas and the gas mileage. It's pretty good. It's not bad. My Impala, $20 lasted me 1 week the way I drive. I have a heavy foot. $20 lasts me 1 week, full tank, everything. This car, $50 lasts me 1 week, pretty much. It's probably like 5 days to be honest, because you know I'm off 2 days of work. But $50 usually do me good. I signed up with Shell, so I get like a little discount per gallon, probably like 10 cents. On a good day, 20 cents. So I spend about $45 to $50 on gas. So that's one thing I don't like, but it's okay. You expect that. You expect to spend that with a V8, so I already kind of knew that was gonna happen. That big increase on how much I gotta spend for gas. But yeah, like I was saying, gas is one thing I don't like. That is used, I don't like. It was cheap. That's one thing I do like. So another thing was, one thing I do like about my car is how it sounds now, because how it used to sound, a stock freaking RT sounds terrible. A stock RT sounds terrible compared to my freaking V6 Impala, bro. That was like the best sounding car that I had ever. I mean, it's the only car that I really had, but a stock freaking Impala, I mean, nah, modified Impala sound better than the stock RT. So when I got a straight pipe, I love it. To this day, I still love it. Waking up every morning here in the car, I love it. And then I got the wrap on top of that. So the red and black is one thing I do like, especially for the theme I'm about to try to go for. I really do like it. Let's see, another thing is just the overall look of the Dodge Charger. But I guess you can count that as the paint too, I guess, because it's just, I don't know, the Dodge Chargers look good. This model looks great. I can't really say something I don't like about the car. Other than like the main things people will say is just gas and just, I hate how heavy it is. It's heavy as hell. But another thing I do like about my car, that it comes with the sunroof. That's one thing I do like about it. I ain't never had a sunroof before. I mean, we had one on a Honda, but I ain't feel the same. Like the sunroof with this joint, man, it feel way better. It just feel, I be feeling like a boss driving this car. That's how you should feel driving any car that you like own yourself, I guess, because it's just a different feeling. Because I feel like I'm the king driving this joint, bro. Even though it's just a 5.7. I guess it's another thing I dislike about it. I got like the baby V8. I got the introduction to the V8, you feel me? This is not the Scat Pack or anything, or you know, the Daytona joint. It's just a RT. You feel me? I'm not hating, trust me, I'm not hating. It's a huge upgrade from my V6, a huge upgrade. But it's still like, bro, you got the little, you got the step. You're on the first step to like what you're supposed to be at. But I guess it's a good little introduction vehicle, I guess you want to say. Like if you was deciding to get a Scat or something like that, and you had money, then you just got the RT just for like, you know, just to get an idea. Cause it's like one of those cars where, okay, I got the car, but now I want the next best thing type of deal. That's for every car that you get, but that's how I feel. I feel like, dang, I got the RT now I really want the Scat. And then when you get the Scat, you be like, dang, I got the Scat, now I really want the Hellcat. So it's just like that type of feeling. That's all it is. This probably won't even be like a top 5 things. It'll be just me saying stuff I like and stuff I don't like. Cause I can't even give it over time. I ain't writing none of this stuff down, so I can't give you some topics and stuff. But I like everything about the car. Honestly, I really do. It's just like, dang, bro, I could have got a Scat, but I ain't hating, cause you know I could have got the Scat, but I'm happy with the RT. I'm glad I got the RT, cause it's a lot of stuff I can do with the RT and stuff like that. The one thing I don't like is that it didn't come with the bumper kits like the SRT. But other than that, it's pretty much the same thing, bro. I really don't need all that extra horsepower. I'm not doing no drag racing. I want to, but I'm not doing it. But you know, I still got the car for a couple of years and shit, so I'm taking my time as I go. I hate that it come with 245 and the rims are silver and black. I hate that much. I hate that I ain't get all black rims and stuff. I'm changing the brakes now, so I guess I hate that it doesn't come with like the Brembo brakes. I know it doesn't need them, but it could have came like a nice little brake package or something like that. I really don't have a lot of things to say that I don't like, because I would have never got the car if it was things I didn't like. You feel me? But hold on, yeah, I'm about to pull up and get my rear brakes changed real quick, cause I just got my front changed, so now I gotta get my back ones changed, and I'm gonna hit y'all back up in the video.